For those of you that don't know me, my name is Faye, and my business is Felicity's Handpicked Cottage. And I am located in South Central Idaho, and I have turned my property into a cute little vintage shop. And I am working really diligently to get it open so that I can share it with the world. It's a very interesting conversation that I just had because I have a road that's, excuse the trash cans, it was trash day today, and this goes down, this is a dead-end road, but it goes down to a green belt down in the canyon. And so I do get walkers by here, and she saw all of my displays set up here, and she stopped to talk. And I love that this type of stuff has a way of bringing people together. I get asked, I could be out working on stuff and people will frequently stop and talk to me about what I'm doing and what I'm building here. And so I love sharing that with people. There's so much passion, and I feel really led to create the things that I'm creating, the space that I'm creating, to create this channel, because we all have strengths and we all have purposes in this life, and we all have things that we can bring to the world. Mine happens to be through my creative vision and the way that I see the world around me, which is unique to me, but I have a way of interpreting it to other people that brings them joy. And so that's what this channel is about. That's what this, excuse the mess, because I am getting market, and I am working on about 500 projects right now, but this little shed here, Handpicked Cottage, and my space, my outdoor space, and my future space that I'm bringing in here in a couple weeks, where I can have creative workshops and things that bring people together, where we can enrich each other's lives through community. This may be stuff. People look at it and they just think it's stuff, it's junk. But I use it as a tool. I love doing this. I have a lot of passion for it. I love seeing things in ways that maybe other people don't quite see the same way, and bringing new life to the things that would maybe find their way to the dump. And that is the heart of my brand, to be able to allow people to create unique spaces with unique items. So there's just so much beauty that comes, and so much joy that comes through doing what I do. And I love doing it, and I love sharing it with you. And so take that with you. And wherever you are today, whatever things it is that brings you a little bit of joy, go find it. I promise you, there are so many things to bring you joy in this world, even amongst all of the noise. Please feel free to hit that like button and give me a follow. And I promise to keep bringing you some great content. Thank you, and have a fantastic day.